Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the map sensors on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, please do not waste your money until you watch that video. We'll talk about how it could be an easy fix, how you can test your map sensor, that's known as manifold absolute pressure sensor as well. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the map sensor now, that's the manifold absolute pressure sensor. Guys, please do not waste your money on new sensors until you test yours. We'll have videos on the channel how to do that. Now this is out of the 3.6 Jeep Grand Cherokee engine. Okay, this is the map sensor, that's what it looks like, guys, that device right here. Now fuses, relays, let's explain where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on the year model, we have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about both. What we need to do, open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Guys, when you open that cover, this is the fuse box layout for 2014 to 2022 year model. This is 2011 to 2013. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Okay, so guys, let's zoom in here so we can see everything with detail. We will explain first about 2011 to 2013 year model. We need to check, guys, fuse number J11 right here, J18, J13. We're not done. All these are engine management fuses. It's hard to tell exactly which one is for the sensor, but check all of them. Then we need to locate fuse M27 right here. M28 will need to come next, guys, which is right there. M28. Now after that we need to find fuse M33 and M34 right here. You also will need to check relay K1, K2, K4, K5. Now if you guys have 2014 to 2022 year model, here, guys, we will need to check fuse number F22. So F22, guys, will be this fuse right here. Next we need to check F32 right there. Now we're not done, guys. We need to check fuse F63 and 64. Those are very important fuses right here. Check those. We need to locate fuse number 72 right here, and we need to check next fuse 77 and 78. These two fuses right here will need to be checked. Also check fuse number 51, guys. 51 will be this fuse right here. Now about the relays, we are going to check relay K6. Some of you will have relay K8 right here. Then we need to check K12, 14 and 15 right here. All of these guys will need to be checked if you have problems with the sensor. Again, we'll have a video on our YouTube channels how to test it. Check it out, our machines, to save you as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful for our machines to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.